Hi, good day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money as a freelancer without any skills whatsoever. So with that said, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to this site called Fiverr.com, and basically once you come to Fiverr, I want you to type in short video ads. There will be quite a few video ads that come up, and let's look at this one in particular. This guy is promoting what they call a gig on Fiverr, and he's saying I will make professional short video ads starting at $20. Let's take a look at this gig. So as you can see, I'm just going to play the video. This is the video promoting his script, so his gig rather. So So that's the gig that he's promoting, and basically he's able to make similar videos for people, and his starting rate is for a basic package he's charging $20. For a 30-second video, is going to provide stock footages, music, animated text, logo, $50, and his top gig is $100. So let me go into Vidnami, my favorite tool, and I'm just going to recreate what I created based on what we've just seen. So Air is a tool that Air is a video that I created. It's called Do You Need Short Video Ads? So all I did is came here, I chose a template, then let's see. Okay, I think I chose one of these templates here. I think it's possibly this one, I'm not sure. Anyway, after that, I basically replicated what the guy did to promote his own video. Do you need short video ads, fast professional, social media, cooking show, lifestyle, product reviews, promote your business, corporate events, fitness, video, DJ parties, and much more? Your satisfaction is guaranteed. So basically, this is exactly what this guy does. He basically would either get a script from whoever wants this sort of video, or he would ask them for their website, and he would just make a list of the features of whoever wants the gig, and we'll come here, just add that, then you go away and create the scenes based on the script or whatever video is given. So I've just done the same. You can choose clips and you can choose images, and again, all this is copyright free, so you're not going to have any issues whatsoever with the authorities if you create this kind of videos. They're short, sharp, and to the point, and you can earn a lot of good money from this. So we've basically got 13 scenes, and again, you can do all this, and you do not have to show your face or even use your own voice on this kind of videos. So after you've gone through that, you choose a voice track, sorry, you choose either, no, yeah, you can choose either no voice, or you can just use music. Let's just use music for this one. Um, but you have preferences. You can upload a voice track, you can record your own voice track. If you want to use your own voice, you can use auto voice, where other voiceover guy people would take your script and record their voice over it. The choice is yours. You've got loads of variety here. Once you've done that, you preview the video. And once it looks good, okay, you can preview, just make sure it looks good. And the beauty about this also is you do not need any experience whatsoever. All you need to do is go to Fiverr, create a gig. I'll show you a sample gig that I created, and it's pretty straightforward. And you can come using it to like Vidnami, create a lot of videos, and yeah, just showcase your services as a freelancer on sites like Fiverr. So the video is completed. I'll just download it. I'll just play it. You might not be able to hear the music in the background, but as you can see, it's pretty professional, and you can create videos like this for people on Fiverr and earn good money. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. In tomorrow's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with ClickBank, even if you're a newbie marketer. So I look forward to that tomorrow. Take care, and have a good day.